Hello, thank you for your interest in the University at Buffalo's Master of Science and Accounting program. My name is Kaylee Fralix, and I'm the Graduate Admissions Advisor in the UB School of Management for the MS Accounting program. We recognize that the application process, while exciting, can sometimes be overwhelming. Please know that our admissions team is not just a point of contact, but also a source of support. Whether you have questions about the application portal, need clarity on a particular requirement, or simply want to talk through any apprehensions you might have, we're genuinely here to assist you. Your success throughout this process matters deeply to us. I encourage all students to follow our LinkedIn page to stay up to date on all of our programs. And you can utilize the information on this screen to reach out anytime if you have questions, concerns, or if you're just looking for admissions-related advice. The quickest way to reach me will be via email, but I've also included my direct phone number. Over the course of today's session, we'll discuss how the MS Accounting program will provide you with the skills necessary to lead diverse teams and drive business success across various industries. We'll take a look at what we refer to as action learning opportunities, which enable you to put theory into practice and differentiate yourself in the job market. We'll talk about what makes UB and Buffalo a great place to earn your degree and expand your network. We'll discuss career preparation and how to utilize the vast resources provided by our Career Resource Center. And we'll touch on admissions requirements, deadlines, tuition and fees, and overall how to stay connected throughout your admissions journey. Choosing the right graduate program is crucial for your career. Let's explore the benefits of pursuing your MS Accounting at UB. The UB School of Management was founded in 1923, so we have over 100 years of being in the business of business. We are an AACSB accredited school, which is the gold standard in graduate education. Of more than 16,000 business schools worldwide, only about 6% are accredited by the AACSB International. We are the #1 ranked business school in the State University of New York system. Our students have the top CPA exam performance among large accounting programs in New York State, and we're one of 36 programs worldwide endorsed by the Institute of Internal Auditors. Here's a brief overview of our incoming class of 2024. Of the enrolled students, 58% were male and 42% were female. The average age was 22 years old, and these students brought an average undergraduate GPA of 3.53. Average work experience was just under a year. However, please be aware that no work experience is required for admission. Please note that applicants must have earned an undergraduate accounting degree from an accredited U.S. college or university for admissions consideration. In our full-time, one-year MS Accounting degree program, you will satisfy the 150 credit hour CPA licensure requirement while advancing your competencies in critical thinking, communication, leadership, data analytics, project management, and many other in-demand skills. The program offers 4 track options to tailor your degree. We'll look at specific track offerings in just a moment. Regardless of the track that you select, the program is completed in 2 semesters with a starting date in the fall only. You'll take 15 credits of core classes and 15 credits of elective classes for a total of 30 credits. Let's kick things off with the accounting core curriculum. Regardless of the track you select, everyone will develop the intellectual foundation and tools to succeed in a complex financial environment. The core curriculum provides a strong base in taxation, audit, financial reporting, and data analytics, upon which you will build your professional career. Other required and elective courses are determined by your chosen specialization track. As for those specialized tracks, each one is designed to allow you to channel your foundational knowledge into a targeted career direction. Customize your program by choosing a track and elective courses from our comprehensive offerings. To get a better idea of what it actually looks like, let's go deeper into each track. In the data analytics track, you'll meld the precision of accounting with the insights of data analytics to emerge as a pivotal figure in business strategy. In this track, you'll harness the power of data to inform management decisions and become an invaluable asset in guiding company direction. With the financial accounting and assurance track, you'll delve deep into the world of financial data with a track that cultivates your expertise in analyzing and interpreting financial statements. You'll learn to ensure the reliability of financial reporting, safeguard company integrity through internal controls, and not just ask, but also solve the question, why? In the internal audit and risk management track, you'll pursue a career in industries where adherence to regulations and the management of risk are critical. This track offers a launchpad into thriving fields like technology and finance, paving the way for advancement from internal auditor to senior leadership roles. And with the taxation track, you'll equip yourself to navigate the complexities of tax law with a proficiency that's always in demand. Whether serving individuals, startups, established corporations, or nonprofits, you'll become the go-to expert for tax strategies and compliance, ready to tackle challenges in a dynamic legislative landscape. You can view our MS Accounting Curriculum Planner on our website for more information on courses within each track. I'd like to take a moment to highlight some of the faculty you might be taking classes with while in the program. Here you can see Clinical Assistant Professor Katie Palladino and Executive in Residence Mike Draves. Professor Palladino is a former tax senior manager at EY, where she managed tax compliance and advisory engagements for multi-state and multinational clients. Mike Draves brings in more than 25 years of industry experience to UB. Prior to his retirement from KPMG, he served as partner and upstate New York practice leader, providing professional audit services to multinational, mid-market, and emerging companies. Clinical Assistant Professor Brittany Bartula has a background in both corporate and public accounting. She was previously one of only 7 graduates in the U.S. to be selected for the Financial Accounting Standard Board's prestigious postgraduate technical assistantship. Assistant Professor Josh Kavis brings experience to the table, having worked in the fixed income technology division at Barclays Investment Bank, as well as being part of the New York City startup scene where he oversaw operations, accounting, and finance for a number of new ventures. Finally, we have Clinical Assistant Professor Martha Saltzman, who practiced law for more than 18 years before accepting a full-time teaching position at UB. She's practiced in areas such as taxation, contracts, acquisitions, reorganizations, stock option plans, and more. Employers consistently describe a need for strong critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Foundational technical skills may be important, but a candidate's ability to attack a problem with creativity, insight, and curiosity is what makes them stand out. All UB School of Management programs emphasize an experiential approach to learning. Each spring, IRS-certified accounting students from the School of Management provide free tax preparation services to qualifying individuals and families. The service is provided by the IRS-sponsored Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. Volunteers include students from the UB chapter of Beta Alpha Psi, an international honors organization for accounting and finance students, and the UB Accounting Association. With the Therese Kelly Investment Group, this is your chance to put what you've learned into play for real. Initially, you pitch a company to an investment group that's going to decide whether or not to buy shares for their portfolio. Based on your performance, you get a unanimous decision from the board on whether or not to invest. Graduates who participated in the Therese Kelly Investment Group have garnered roles at top firms, including Goldman Sachs, Deloitte, Citi, PwC, and Bloomberg. Here, you'll gain exposure to executive boardroom meetings during exciting off-campus visits to financial capitals of the world, like New York City, Boston, and Chicago, at firms such as Barclays Investment Bank, Charles Schwab & Co., and Morgan Stanley Wealth Management. Amplify your skills while making a real impact as a paid student assistant in our projects clinic. Here, you'll dive into hands-on real-world projects alongside our community partners. These are short-term projects ranging from 2 to 3 weeks in length or up to 1 semester. This offers you a dynamic experience working with diverse organizations to add to your portfolio. The CoLab is a campus-based entrepreneurship and innovation center that empowers students to realize solutions for the global and local challenges of our time. Part startup incubator and part idea sharing center, it connects students to mentors, events, funding, and experiences that cultivate the skills and mindset to build successful companies or innovate competitively in careers within any organization. Through our faculty-led short-term global programs, you'll prepare to lead in today's business world and develop the global and diversity mindset that you need to succeed in any industry. You'll meet new people and get the chance to visit businesses and cultural sites to showcase your experience to potential employers. Best of all, thanks to the hybrid nature of the program, you can participate from anywhere in the world. All our global and U.S. experiences include a credit-bearing virtual program, as well as optional travel to the program's destination. Now, let's discuss our UB community and why Buffalo is a great place to live and earn your degree. UB has many notable alumni. With more than 293,000 across 150 countries, it provides our students with a huge network. UB alumni are special. They're highly engaged with current students and participate in many networking events, speak in classes and with clubs, and serve on a variety of boards and panels. There's lots of ways to have fun, learn a new skill, and meet others outside of the classroom through campus activities. This is your chance to make new friends and lifelong memories. UB offers more than 400 student clubs and a variety of other opportunities. So get involved, explore, and make the most of your time on campus. In addition to the School of Management graduate organizations, you'll also have an opportunity to explore and join university-connected groups through the Student Association. Some benefits of joining our student organizations are networking opportunities. Student organizations often host events, workshops, and meetings where students can interact with professionals, alumni, and industry experts. This can be pivotal for building a professional network that can aid in job searches and overall career progression. You'll develop leadership skills by taking on leadership roles in these organizations. This can help students develop management, organizational, and leadership skills that will be invaluable in their future careers. You'll gain industry insights through guest lectures, seminars, and interactions facilitated by student organizations. These can provide firsthand knowledge about current industry trends, challenges, and opportunities. It's also going to build your resume. Active participation or leadership in student organizations can enhance your resume, showcasing not just academic achievements, but extracurricular involvement as well. Buffalo is a great place to live. The city offers affordable living well below the national average. Buffalo is definitely known for its snow, but if you dig a little deeper, you'll discover that our region actually enjoys 4 distinct seasons, each remarkable in its own right. We get to experience fun in all 4 seasons in a safe and well-planned city. Buffalo's history of innovation and entrepreneurship is alive and thriving. UB is playing a key role in creating a new knowledge-based economy for our region. There's endless things to do in Buffalo. If you scan the QR code on screen, you can learn more about our City of Good neighbors. Our comprehensive career resources offer personalized coaching, industry connections, and tools to help you navigate your career path from day one. Benefit from our robust employer network, career fairs, and resume interview workshops designed to land you your dream job. UB School of Management students have access to a dedicated career advisor within the school's Career Resource Center. You can also search jobs and utilize resources in the university's Central Career Design Center. The Career Resource Center, also called the CRC, offers lifelong career management skills through workshops and events, tools to develop the competencies for winning interviews, and access to a vast number and scope of employers. The CRC team assists students with developing a career strategy and honing the tools needed for an effective job search, providing personalized career guidance, and access to job postings as well as local and national career fairs. Before you even step foot on campus, the CRC is engaged and committed to your success by providing an MS Accounting career checklist. They'll work with you to help you develop your career strategy, your personal brand, and hone the tools you'll need for an effective job search and rewarding career. The CRC offers individualized coaching and career services to help you define and achieve your goals. Take advantage of BizLink, the online career management system brought to you by the CRC for exclusive use of School of Management students. You'll also have access to virtual power chats. These allow you to connect with alumni and business leaders to ask your questions. You'll hear about their career path, their current work, and receive career advice from experienced professionals. Additionally, you have access to search jobs, post your resume, and utilize the university's Central Career Design Center and their Bullseye platform. As you can see here, our MS Accounting graduates are in high demand. In 2023, 100% of our MS Accounting graduates accepted a job offer within 3 months of graduation with an average base salary of $65,000. With roles spanning from CPAs to financial analysts and auditors, Our alumni thrive across diverse sectors, including public accounting, corporate finance, and government. You can see a list of companies here who employ our graduates along with positions attained. Executive and residents advise students on career readiness, and many of our faculty are Big Four alumni. 2024 placement stats will be available on the CRC website at the end of January. We know this is a huge decision, one that can be really stressful, and we want you to know that we're here to assist you every step of the way. Let's cover our 2025 application deadlines. We do have 2 rounds of admission for incoming students. The first deadline has already passed. It was October 15th. The second deadline is going to be February 1st. UB junior level accounting students are eligible to apply until June 15th. The sooner you get your application in, the sooner you'll get a decision. Be sure to adhere to the application deadlines and instructions, as incomplete and late applications will not be reviewed. The application process and required admissions materials are pretty straightforward. You'll complete the online application and pay the $100 application fee. You'll upload a current resume. You should have 1 page for every 10 years of work experience. Include relevant education and work experience, listing the months and years of employment as seen here on screen. Our CRC has a fantastic resume preparation tool on their website that I encourage you to check out. You'll submit a personal statement detailing your short-term and long-term career goals and how the UB MS in Accounting program can help you reach them. It should be around 700 words in length. You must upload transcripts for each college or university that you list in your application. Transcripts for all undergraduate credits, including transfer credits earned towards your undergraduate degree, must be uploaded for admissions consideration. Unofficial transcripts can be uploaded for admissions consideration, but admitted students must request that their college or university send official conferred transcripts to the University of Buffalo. Current UB students must upload a copy of their academic advisement report. Please note that we are test optional. We do not require GMAT or GRE scores for admissions consideration. A UB graduate education is an investment in your future. With reasonable tuition costs and a strong academic reputation, you'll see a high return on your investment. As you'll see, the MSA program offers tremendous value in today's graduate management program marketplace. It's hard to find better value than UB, New York's flagship. As a public university, our tuition is only a fraction of the cost of attending a private college or university of comparable quality and opportunity. Buffalo is ranked one of the 25 most affordable cities in the U.S. At UB, there's a variety of assistantship and merit-based scholarship opportunities available. Students also have access to 2 dedicated career centers before they even start their first day of classes. Here you'll see in-state resident tuition and fee information, with the total estimated cost of the program being $15,507. And a breakdown for non-resident tuition and fees with an estimated total cost for the program of $29,387. Again, merit-based scholarship opportunities are available. If you have questions about this information, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can see my contact information here again on screen. And you can also scan the QR code here to continue the conversation. Take advantage of our online ambassador office hours, attend a virtual or in-person recruiting event, book a one-on-one admissions advising appointment, listen to our manageable podcast, access our digital library, engage with us on social media, and so much more. We're so glad that you're considering UB's MS in Accounting program. We look forward to future conversations with you.